All right, good morning, everybody. We start off with a Channel 3 early warning radar that is scanning the state dry. That's the good news. This is the calm before storm number 1 rolls in. Unfortunately, we're going to have a little light snow for tomorrow morning. An inch or two, maybe a coating in parts of the shoreline, maybe an inch or two, possibly even 3 inches of snow in parts of northern Connecticut. But you'll see the storm system in the middle of the country. It's starting to materialize. Missouri, you can see it moving through Illinois, Indiana. That's all racing in our direction. So that's going to be here by about midnight tonight through early tomorrow morning. Then we focus our attention on the weekend storm, and that is cause for concern. A winter storm watch has been posted for Litchfield, Hartford, Tolland, and Windham. This is Saturday afternoon, starting around 4 p.m. The snow should start around 7, 8 o'clock, and it's going to snow for a period of time into Sunday morning, and that's going to lead to those accumulations. But here's the bottom line. We're still 3 days out. The track is to be determined. The GFS, the American model, has a little bit of a warmer track, which means some better news for us. The European model has a little bit of a colder track, a little bit further to the south. And that means a snowier scenario or a freezing rain and sleet scenario. So here's what we do know. The precipitation is going to be heavy. It starts late Saturday, ends late Sunday. So it's like a 24-hour duration storm here. And what's questionable are the precipitation types: snow, sleet, freezing rain, and rain, all on the table with this storm, because the track has to be determined yet, and we're certainly going to keep you posted as that continues to come on in. In the meantime, mostly clear and cold and windy this morning. The first storm comes in late tonight through early tomorrow morning. The second storm rolls in Saturday evening and lasts through the day on Sunday, and Sunday is going to be a messy day. Regardless of where you are, it's going to be either pouring or snowing or sleeting and possibly even some freezing rain during the day on Sunday. All right, take a look at the temperature trend today. Close to the upper 20s. Maybe some low 30s for the immediate shoreline today under partly cloudy skies. So not a bad day today. The temperatures out there, 19 at Bradley, pretty close to the normal, 17, 18, typical overnight low. There is a bit of a breeze out there, anywhere from 8 to 13 miles an hour sustained, and no gusts at this point, which is good news. But that little bit of a breeze does make it feel like it's between 2 and about 13, 14, 15 out there. So you certainly got to bundle up, play winter during the day today. It's going to be a much, much colder day than it was yesterday. Beautiful skyline shot here in Hartford. Good morning to you. New London, you can see the sun starting to come up. Not a lot going on our regional radar. Satellite and radar confirms a little bit of cloud coverage out there. Here comes storm number 1. All the way out in the Pacific. Here's storm number 2. That has to make its way into the state over the weekend. All right, so Futurecast, tomorrow's weather today. Let's concentrate on tonight's storm into tomorrow morning. It starts around midnight. Very light snow overspreads the state through tomorrow morning. This is around 7 o'clock. Not a blockbuster storm, but enough to snarl up the commute. Here's what we're thinking in terms of how many inches. Not a whole lot. Maybe a coating. Maybe an inch, maybe 2 inches in parts of the state. You'll notice the higher amounts are in northwest Connecticut. The lighter amounts are along the shoreline. Again, not a blockbuster, but enough to get those roads a little bit coated up. And then along comes spider number 2. This is bringing it in Saturday evening. And then all night Saturday, it's snowing into early Sunday morning. This is 11 o'clock Saturday. Snow continues, and then here comes some mixed precipitation. Could be in the form of sleet, rain, freezing rain, and then hopefully we'll go over to all rain. This is the European model, then back to snow. This is the American model. This has a warmer track, so snow at the onset, accumulating snow, measurable and plowable is a possibility, and then it goes over to sleet and possibly some freezing rain, possibly all rain, heavy at times during the day on Sunday. So here's what we know 3 days out. Uncertainty remains. Starts as snow late Saturday, and then transitions to an icy mix, and then possibly rain. Heavy rain could lead to flooding concerns, and if we do get a prolonged period of icing, that could lead to power outages. That's not too particularly good. So enjoy today, 25 to 32. It's the calm before the storm. Today, temperatures will climb once again between 25 and 32. And then your 7-day forecast, a little light snow for tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon looks fine. Saturday looks okay. And then Saturday night through Sunday, the precipitory mess starts as a major winter storm rolls into the state. Monday, absolutely freezing, sub-zero wind chill values. A flash freeze is likely Sunday night into Monday. Everything that's on the ground has an opportunity to freeze up as the temperatures plummet. Not a good looking weekend, I got to be honest with you. Saturday's the better of the 2 weekend days.
So it's not going to be a beach day.
Not going to be a beach day.